Welcome to the video that's going to demonstrate how to use the Avatarify. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly. So what you're going to do is click on the image to get the template. When this window loads, you choose Edit Template. It opened immediately in Canva because I was already logged into Canva. Otherwise, you need to log in through Google with your school account. Now, if you look at these slides, there's two images. You're going to change the second image. If you do not like these images, you can swap them off. The last two allow you to add your own images, so maybe you have some personal images you want to add, which would be great. So let's go ahead and show you an example of some that have been completed. The first one has been done. Here's an example, another example. I do like doing people. You can also do animals. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to duplicate this page, and I'm going to change it to example 9. You can always add more this way, and I'll delete this image and I'll replace it an image that I have on my computer. So for example, if I go to my uploads, you can choose images and then upload files and then go locate an image of yourself. But I just so happen to have some images of myself in here that I'll go ahead and show you what that looks like. So I'll go ahead and drag the image of myself and replace those two images. I will select that second image. I will go over to the apps on the left-hand side. I will type in Avatarify and hit the Enter key. I will double click on that option, and with that second image selected, I will choose Avatarify and replace. Because that looks nothing like me at all, I'm going to select it and delete it and look for some other images. That did not come out well. Do keep in mind that you are limited. If you look down below, you'll see I have 3 credits, and I'm guessing each modification counts as a credit. I would have to revisit this the next day, so do keep that in mind. So I'm going to go ahead and just choose photos. I'm looking up boat. I'm going to drag this image out and hope that it has a good effect on there. So I'll select that second image. We'll go to apps, open up the app, choose Avatarify and replace. Now notice it doesn't fit fully in there, and I like it, so I will double click on it, and you can drag it so it's the same width, drag it down until it fits into that space, and then click off the image. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to actually move it over if I can. You can move it if you double click on it. Once you're done and you add your music, you can choose Share in the upper right corner, Download. Do make sure it's an MP4 at the top, and then choose Download. Once it's downloaded, go to your Downloads folder, and there is the project, ready for you to share with the world. This concludes the session on how to use the Avatarify app within Canva. Until next time, you have a wonderful day.